Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Mercury Fuel Connector is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any boat owner, ensuring a seamless and reliable flow of fuel from your tank to your engine. And today we're diving deep into what makes a great connector, why it matters for your vessel's performance and longevity, and what you absolutely need to know before making your next purchase to keep your adventures on the water smooth and uninterrupted. Number 5. MAS Ignition Distributor for Ford 351C 351M 400-460. Upgrade your Ford's ignition system with this high-performance distributor. It's designed for a seamless fit and reliable operation. Each electronic component is rigorously computer-tested to ensure 100% compatibility with OEM parts. You can trust its quality and performance. This is a complete HEI distributor unit, featuring an ignition module and easy one-wire installation. It also includes a stylish blue cap and rotor. Specifically engineered for Ford 351C, 351M, 400, and 460 engines. It's the ideal upgrade for these popular Ford the 58S. The gears are constructed from specially treated 20CR steel, offering exceptional hardness and wear resistance for long-lasting performance. We stand behind our product with a comprehensive 1-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This distributor is computer tested for 100% OEM compatibility. It comes as a complete HEI unit with a one-wire installation. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install ignition upgrade for your Ford 351C, 351M, 400, or 460 engine, this is a great choice. What people say. The fuel line connector fits perfectly and is a direct replacement for the original. Easy to install and works as expected. No leaks found after connecting. Good quality material, feels durable and should last a long time. Number 4. Quicksilver 800-4787Q Fuel Line Connector Kit. This kit provides a reliable connection for your portable fuel tank hose to Mercury, Mariner, and Force outboards. It ensures a secure fit at the engine end of your fuel line. Everything you need is in this package. It includes the necessary fuel fitting connectors and hose clamps for a straightforward installation. When replacing your connector, it's the perfect time to also replace older fuel lines and primer bulbs. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. Produced to stringent original equipment manufacturer specifications, this part is designed to maximize the performance of your Mercury and Mariner outboard or Mercruiser stern drive. This connector kit is built to last, ensuring consistent fuel flow and dependable operation for your marine engine. It's a quality replacement part you can trust. What we like. This kit connects your fuel tank hose to Mercury, Mariner, and Force outboards. It includes all the necessary fittings and clamps for a complete replacement. If you're replacing older fuel lines or primer bulbs on your Mercury or Mariner outboard, this kit ensures a proper and efficient connection. What people say. The fuel line connector is a direct replacement for the original equipment. It fits perfectly and seals well, preventing any fuel leaks. The material feels durable and looks like it will last a long time. Number 3. Quicksilver 22831Q3 Fuel Line Connector. This is the Quicksilver 22831Q3 Fuel Line Connector, designed for select vintage Mercury and Mariner outboards. It ensures a secure connection between your portable fuel tank hose and your outboard motor. Featuring a convenient twist-lock design, this connector allows for quick and easy attachment. It also ensures efficient fuel flow to keep your engine running smoothly. Manufactured to meet Mercury Marine's original equipment manufacturer specifications, you can trust its quality. This ensures optimal protection for your valuable Mercury or Mariner outboard. Keep your vintage outboard performing at its best with a reliable fuel connection. This part is essential for maintaining consistent fuel delivery. Designed as a direct replacement, it offers a perfect fit for compatible Mercury and Mariner models. Enjoy peace of mind with a connector built to last. What we like. This connector features a twist-lock design for easy attachment and efficient fuel flow. It's specifically designed for select vintage Mercury and Mariner outboards. If you have an older Mercury or Mariner outboard and need a reliable fuel line connector, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Perfect OEM part fit my 1983 Mercury 7.5 horsepower outboard. 1.8 NPT. Marine usage with perfect fit. Well-made Mercury outboard product. Perfect fit on my 7.5 horsepower Mercury. Folks often order the bigger model, but this one fits the smaller 3.9, 4.0 horsepower 7.5 horsepower, so don't confuse the two sizes. Number 2. Moeller Marine Fuel Line Connector Kit. Ensure a secure and reliable connection for your boat's fuel system. This kit provides the essential components for a leak-free setup. Specifically designed to fit Mercury engines, this connector offers a perfect match for your outboard motor. It ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Featuring a 3/8-inch bayonet-style connection, it allows for quick and easy installation. Simply push and twist for a secure fit. This combo kit includes a convenient 90-degree elbow, providing flexibility in routing your fuel lines. Achieve the perfect angle for your installation. With compact packaging dimensions, this connector is easy to handle and install. Get your fuel system up and running in no time. What we like. This is a bayonet-style connector with a 3/8 barb, designed for Mercury engines. It comes as a combo kit, offering convenience. If you need a bayonet-style fuel line connection for your Mercury engine and prefer a kit with an elbow, this Moeller product is a solid option. What people say. Came with 3 brass fittings, so you're set up for whatever you need. The part was an exact match. I likes that there were numerous fittings included that already had sealant on them. Perfect replacement part. Worked for my 25 horsepower Mercury motor. Number 1. Moeller Marine Fuel Line Engine Barb Connector. Introducing the Moeller Marine Fuel Line Engine Barb Connector. This essential part ensures a secure and reliable connection for your boat's fuel system. Crafted from high-quality nylon, this connector is built to withstand the harsh marine environment. Its robust design guarantees long-lasting performance. Featuring a convenient female bayonet style, it provides a quick and easy connection. This ensures a hassle-free installation process for Mercury engines. With a 3/8-inch barb size, it offers a precise fit for your fuel lines. This ensures optimal fuel flow and engine efficiency. Designed for practicality, its compact dimensions make it easy to handle and install. The lightweight nature adds to its user-friendly design. Trust Moeller Marine for dependable fuel system components. This connector is engineered to deliver consistent performance on the water. What we like. This is a female bayonet-style connector made from durable nylon. It's designed for Mercury fuel lines. If you're looking for a female bayonet connector to attach to your fuel line, specifically for a Mercury application, this Moeller part will get the job done. What people say. Just as described in high quality. Had gas leaking in the connection between the motor and the fuel line. This solved my issue. Cut the line just below the old connector. Put on the new connector and secured it with a pipe clamp. No leaks and motor runs like it always did. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.